In the field of land surveying, DGPStechnology has revolutionized the way surveyors work. DGPSsurveyors and Dankaur rely on the Global Positioning System, DGPS, to accurately measure and map out the physical features of a piece of land. Dankaur, a town in India, has seen a rise in demand for DGP surveying services due to its rapid urban development and infrastructure projects. DGPSsurveyors in Dankaur utilize advanced equipment and software to collect precise data about the coordinates, elevations, and boundaries of a particular area. This data is then used for various purposes such as creating topographic maps, conducting construction surveys, and establishing property boundaries. With the help of DGPStechnology, surveyors can work more efficiently and accurately, reducing the chances of errors and improving overall productivity. One of the key advantages of hiring DGPSsurveyors in Dankaur is the ability to obtain highly accurate and reliable data. Traditional surveying methods often relied on manual measurements and calculations, which were prone to human error. However, with DGPStechnology, surveyors can achieve sub-centimeter level accuracy, ensuring that the collected data is precise and reliable. This level of accuracy is crucial for projects that require precise measurements, such as engineering design, infrastructure development, and land subdivision. Surveyors can cover larger areas in a shorter amount of time compared to traditional methods. The data collected by DGPSsurveyors can also be easily integrated into computer-aided design (CAD) software, allowing for faster and more accurate design processes. In addition to DGP surveying, another important aspect of land development in Dankaur is the design of special conservation (SCON) areas. SCON design refers to the planning and development of areas that require special conservation measures to protect natural resources and ecological balance. DGPStechnology has transformed the way surveyors work in the profession of land surveying. The Global Positioning System, DGPS, is used by DGPSsurveyors in Dankaur to precisely measure and map out the physical properties of a piece of land. Dankaur, an Indian town, has experienced an increase in demand for DGP surveying services as a result of its accelerated infrastructure developments and urban expansion. Dankaur's DGP surveyors use cutting-edge tools and software to gather exact information about an area's coordinates, altitude, and borders. Then, this information is put to use for a variety of tasks, including making topographic maps, carrying out construction surveys, and drawing property lines. Surveyors may operate more correctly and effectively with the aid of DGPStechnology, lowering the possibility of errors and boosting total output. Finding highly accurate and trustworthy data is one of the main benefits of employing DGPSsurveyors in Dankaur. The laborious measurements and calculations used in traditional surveying techniques frequently involved human error. However,